Hi there. I'd like to talk to you about self-talk. Often what we find when we're in those difficult situations, we express all those negative images, those negative messages, those negative conversations, and it just makes things worse. I remember something that RuPaul said. He said, if it doesn't matter in a week, it doesn't matter today. And I'm sure we've all had those sleepless nights where we're up worrying about something and then the next morning we wake up and everything's fine. So it's really important that you give yourself positive messages to remind yourself that you are strong, that you will survive, that you're better than this situation. And if you fill your mind with those positive messages, you will find the inner strength to overcome anything that you face. Your power comes from within, not from without. So really, be very careful about the stories you tell yourself. Be very careful about those conversations and fill your mind with what's possible rather than what's impossible. I promise you'll get through this. Are you struggling as a professional salesperson or as a professional sales manager? I can help. I coach people just like you. Reach out to me at jamesheidemaconsulting.com or email me at jimheidema@me.com. I look forward to hearing from you and I look forward to helping you.